Tired of your Venmo payments showing up on a public feed for everyone to see? This video shows you exactly how to make all your past Venmo transactions private step by step, and it only takes a few minutes. Hi everyone, I'm Anna and welcome to For Real. If you've ever felt a little weird seeing a friend's pizza payment from last night, you're not alone. By default, Venmo is designed like a social network, and your payment history could be visible to your friends or even the entire internet. For privacy-conscious users, that's a huge problem. But don't worry, there's a simple fix that will lock down your entire history at once. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to change every single one of your past transactions to private. No more going back one by one. Let's make your financial history your business and nobody else's. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Venmo app on your Android phone. Once you're on the main home screen, look for the menu at the bottom and tap on the Me icon on the far right. It might have your initials or your profile picture on it. Tapping Me takes you to your personal profile page. From here, you need to get to your account settings. Look in the top right corner of the screen for a gear icon. That's the universal symbol for settings. Go ahead and tap that. This brings you to the main settings menu. There are a lot of options here, but the one we need is under the Preferences section. Find and tap on Privacy. This is the central hub for all your Venmo privacy settings. Micro tip. On this screen, you can set the default audience for all of your future payments. I highly recommend setting this to private right now to protect yourself going forward. But for now, we're focused on fixing the past. Quick pause. If you're finding this privacy tip helpful so far, please tap that like button below. It's free for you, and it really helps our channel reach and help more people. Okay, let's get back to it. All right, on this same privacy screen, scroll down a bit until you see a section called More. The option we're looking for is right at the top of this section, Past Transactions. This is the key to bulk editing your entire Hide Venmo history. Tap on it. This screen gives you one powerful option: change all to private. This is exactly what we want. Tapping this will change the privacy setting for every single transaction you've ever made. Go ahead and tap Change all to private. Venmo will pop up a confirmation window just to be sure. It will ask, "Are you sure you want to change the privacy for your past transactions to private?" Tap on Change to Private to confirm. You'll see a little note at the bottom saying, "Successfully updated past transactions." One important thing to know. While this hides your past payments, it does not hide your friends list. On that same privacy screen we were on earlier, there's an option for Friends List. You might want to go in there and set it to private as well so people can't see who you are connected with. This is a key part of how you can secure your Venmo account. And there you have it. In just a few taps, you now know exactly how to make all your past transactions private in Venmo. No more worrying about who might be scrolling through your payment history. You've taken a huge and important step in reclaiming your digital privacy. If you found this tutorial useful and want more tips on how to stay safe and private online, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And let me know in the comments, what other apps do you have privacy concerns about? I might cover them in a future video. Thanks for watching For Real, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.